If you're trying to eat low carb but still crave pizza, this might be the easiest pizza crust you'll ever make. It's only 3 ingredients, and it actually holds together like real pizza. In a bowl, mix 1 can of shredded chicken, 1 large beaten egg, and half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix it all together well. And spread it a 1/4 inch thick on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until the crust is browning. Let it cool slightly, then add your low-carb sauce of choice and any of your favorite toppings you like. Then pop it back in the oven and bake again until the cheese is bubbly and browning. And allow it to cool a minute or 2 before slicing. And that's it. I hope you'll enjoy.